Here, a rope is hanging. The free end is attached to a mass M2. The mass of the rope is M1. A uniform rope of length L and mass M1 hangs vertically from a rigid support. A block of mass M2 is attached to the free end of the rope. A transverse pulse of wavelength lambda 1 has been set up at the bottom of the rope, whereas its wavelength at the topmost point of the rope is lambda 2. We are asked to find what is lambda 2 upon lambda 1. There are 4 options are given. Now, at the topmost point, the tension is M1 plus M2 together multiply G, whereas at the bottommost point of the rope, the tension is M2G. The wavelength of the pulse is given by a formula lambda, which is proportional to V, equals root of T upon mu. T is the tension, mu is the mass per unit length of the rope. So lambda proportional to square root of tension. Therefore, lambda 2 upon lambda 1 equals root of T2 upon T1. Lambda 2 upon lambda 1 equals the T2. The tension at the topmost point is M1 plus M2 into G, whereas the tension at the bottommost point is M2G. So, cancelling G here, we get lambda 2 upon lambda 1 equal to square root of M1 plus M2 upon M2. So, the option D is correct.